Hi, I'm Jim Frieden, chef and president of PepperMills Supreme. Come on, I'd like to show you our new Model 200. PepperMills Supreme Model 200 in black and satin nickel. This is how we load the batteries in the Model 200. You can use alkaline batteries or rechargeable batteries. Positive goes up. Negative goes up. It's pushed down. Another feature of the 200 is our sliding clear window, easy fill hole. Chamber holds about a half a cup peppercorns or sea salt. Here we have the adjustment ring for fine to coarse settings. Once it's set, it doesn't come out of adjustment. Here we have the patented dual grinder design, exclusive to the PepperMills Supreme products. We use ceramic grinders, so you can use any of the sea salts and some spices and peppercorns. We have a powerful LED light for those low light situations. Next, I'd like to show you the grind settings of the Model 200. First is the fine grind. Then we just turn the ring to the coarse adjustment. The Model 200 with coarse sea salt on the fine grind setting. There are no other mills on the market that have all the features of the PepperMills Supreme Model 200 with the patented dual grinder design. These are the only mills on the market you do not have to take apart to refill or replace batteries. If you like to cook and entertain at home, these mills will quickly become your favorite tools in the kitchen. For your convenience, we also offer on our website Telecherry peppercorns, peppercorn medley, and of course sea salt, all competitively priced. We also offer metal nickel hydride batteries and a universal charger that works in any country with 110 or 240 volt, and it will save you in battery costs. The Model 200 comes with a 3-year warranty, the best in its price range. So order for yourself and your friends who love to cook.